My name is Rania Hotate. I'm the founder and CEO of ID4A Technologies. Traditional manufacturing processes and methodologies have been extremely inefficient and have led to the exploitation of hundreds of millions of people. ID4A Technologies is specialized in the design and development of customized robotic and automation solutions to accelerate manufacturing processes. We use the capabilities of AI, machine vision, 3D printing, robotics, machine learning, and advanced analytics to increase efficiency, accuracy, scalability, and flexibility across the entire manufacturing cycle. And as we help our customers transform their operations and automate their cycles, we are helping them and supporting them to reinvest in the upskilling and training of their workforce as they move into new jobs. We have served clients in over 22 countries, mainly in North America, Asian continent, and Europe. And we have impacted the lives of over 1.5 million people around the world.